golden gorgeous flaky pastry covering sausage meat and melted cheese. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. Who doesn't love a sausage roll? Now what about a sausage roll stuffed with cheese? So today we're going to make sausage rolls stuffed with cheese. Now these are my easy peasy cheesy sausage rolls. And why are they so easy peasy? We're using all store-bought ingredients, putting it together and cook it in the oven. So let's show you how to make my easy peasy cheesy sausage rolls. Let's do this. Right guys, using your favorite sausage, what we want to do is take the skin off. Now the best way to take the skin off, I find, is with a pair of scissors. So remove the skin so we've got the sausage meat. So do that with all the sausages that you want to use. Now I'm using pork sausages, but you know, you could use Italian, beef, spicy, whatever sausage is your desire. And then what we need to do, we need to take some cheese, and we want cheddar and mozzarella. Now for me the combination is a bit of cheddar encased with mozzarella. So you're going to get that flavour in your sausage with that little bit of a stickiness from the mozzarella cheese. So put it together, and then what we need to do, we need to put it inside our sausage. So just press open the sausage, get your cheese, stuff your cheese in, and then fold over or roll up or squash round, or whatever you can do to put the sausage meat back round that cheese, and then give it a rub round in your hand, a little roll round to put back in a little sausage shape, and just put to one side. And then we'll just carry on with all the rest of the sausages. Now it's so simple to do this guys, because it's somebody else's sausage meat. All we got to do is stuff it with the cheese, cover it over, give it a roll round in our hands and back into a sausage shape, and put to one side. What we need to do, we need to make a basic egg wash. Now we crack an egg in a bowl, a little bit of milk, beat it up, and that is going to be our egg wash to cover our pastry. And it's also going to act as a bit of a glue as well. We can actually stick down the sausage roll with our egg wash. Okay, so what we need to do is take our store-bought flaky puff pastry. I know it's not flaky yet, but it will be when it's cooked. But our store-bought puff pastry, and take one of our sausages, put it on, and then we need to dip over a little bit of our egg wash on the edge, and that is going to act as our glue. All we've got to do then is roll the pastry over with the sausage, and just sort of tuck it back under with your fingers so we can keep it quite firm. Roll it all the way over, and that is our sausage roll made. Now when we put it on our tray, what we need to do, we need to put it with the seam down. The seam has to be down on the base of the tray. So repeat that with all your sausage rolls. And then what we need to do, we have to decide, are we going to keep them all the same, or do we want to halve these? I'm going to keep them all the same. So we just need to run a knife over, make 3 little cuts through the pastry, and that's going to vent out and help cook the sausage meat. Now the cheese could leak through, but it's nothing to worry about. And then what we want to do is brush over our sausage rolls with our egg wash. So make sure our oven has been preheated to about 200 degrees C. Now, you know your own oven. Everybody knows their own ovens, so you know how to fly your oven. I'm going to cook these about 200 degrees C for about 25-30 minutes, but we'll keep an eye on them as they're cooking. We don't want them to burn in any way. We just want that lovely crispy flaky pastry. So just keep an eye on them as they're cooking. Like I say, everybody's oven cooks differently. And we need to take them out and we need to let them cool on the baking tray for about 5 minutes before we actually remove them from the parchment paper. These sausage rolls look absolutely amazing. So let's just cut it open and have a look inside. Just look at that, guys. Golden flaky pastry, melted cheese and sausage meat. An absolutely perfect cheesy sausage roll. There we go, guys. Easy peasy cheesy sausage rolls. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, we need to give one of these a try. Oh, look in there. Amazing. Give it a dip in our barbecue sauce. Oh man. Oh, that is amazing. That is really good. Amazing, guys. All we've done is put all store-bought ingredients together to make cheesy sausage rolls. And obviously we're using our homemade barbecue sauce. Guys, if you like what we're doing and you would like to subscribe, that would be absolutely amazing. You know, till next time, take care.